In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up ActiveCampaign site tracking and use automations from a website form so you can actually turn your website visitors into leads and customers automatically. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been collecting emails but nothing is really happening after that, this is going to help you understand exactly what's missing. Because most people stop at the form. Someone signs up, they get added to a list, and then that's it. There's no follow-up, no tracking, and no real system behind it. So what we're going to do today is talk about how to connect the pieces together so when someone lands on your site, signs up, and starts interacting, everything works together in the background. So let's get into it. So first off, ActiveCampaign is an email marketing and automation platform that helps you manage your contacts and create automated workflows based on what people do. What makes this different from a basic email tool is that it tracks behavior. Instead of just knowing that someone signed up, you can see things like what pages they visit, how often they come back, and what they're actually interested in. When you combine that with automations, you're not just sending emails, you're responding to behavior. That's what turns a simple form into a full system. So there are two main pieces working together here: site tracking and automations. Site tracking allows ActiveCampaign to see what your visitors are doing on your website once they're identified. That means when someone clicks a link in your email or submits a form, their activity can be connected to their contact profile. Automations take that information and turn it into an action. So instead of manually following up with people, you're creating a flow that runs automatically based on behavior and what someone does. The form is just what connects everything. It's the entry point. Once someone fills it out, they become a known contact, and from there you can track and respond to their behavior. So the real power comes from combining all three pieces into one system. So let's get into ActiveCampaign and go through exactly how to do this. So if you don't already have an ActiveCampaign account, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. With that link, you can get signed up with a 14-day free trial so you can follow along with me if you'd like. But step one is just understanding the flow first. So before you set anything up, you really want to understand how the pieces connect. Okay, so first someone lands on your website, they fill out a form. That form adds them to ActiveCampaign as a contact. Once they're contacted, site tracking can start collecting data about what they do on your website. That behavior can trigger automations, which send emails or move them through your funnel. When you look at it this way, it's really not complicated at all. It's just a sequence. But understanding that flow first is what's going to make everything else easier to set up. Now, again, you're going to want to go ahead and click our link down below, click Start Trial. You can go ahead and enter in your email address, and then you'll just click Get Started. This is what ActiveCampaign looks like on the inside. So they've got, your business goals, contacts, automations, email, SMS, WhatsApp, deals, website, reports, and unlock other features after the paid trial. So as you're logging in, you want to make sure you connect your email. I want to mention that first. As you are getting started, it'll ask you for your website, so then you can connect it directly to ActiveCampaign super easily. Then what we're going to go ahead and do is navigate to website. We're going to go to site tracking. And then as you can see, this connects your marketing and sales process to your website activity by tracking web pages, visits made by contacts in real time. So all you have to do is click turn on. Again, you do have to go ahead and have your domain connected in here, but they walk you through it step by step. If you, again, didn't do that, you can always add your website URL right here and then click add. And then as you can see, you want to have this button checked as include all website pages, okay? So you'll just go ahead and come into contacts. You'll go to tags, add a tag. We'll just go lead magnet, welcome sequence. It's just some basic ones. You also can create segments too if we wanted to do that as well. They also have some other ones automatically in here as well. Going back to the website, back to the form, subscribe to a list, master contact list for now. We'll go ahead and add a tag, lead magnet, and then if you want to add another tag, we can also add them to welcome sequence. If you wanted to add them to kind of like your CRM, you can add them to a deal. So then they would be in your CRM as well. We'll go ahead and click create form. So now what you'll want to do is come in here and update everything. So now, as you can see, contact submits form lead magnet. So this is where once you have real data of all of your customers and leads clicking around in your website, this is where it gets really powerful because you can use that data. So someone submits a form, we'll go ahead and send them an email, lead magnet. You would fill all the subject, everything in between. You'll just click finish. So obviously you want to add everything in there. So again, you can add multiple triggers. You can do waiting periods. You can do subscribe a contact to one or more lists, if else. So again, based on conditions. You can also update contact fields, as well as they have AI action library. You do have to be upgraded for this, but you can do things like summarize, analyze, translate, and everything in between. So that truly is how easy it is to turn on site tracking. And then of course, you would embed this directly into your website. So everything is connected, okay? I just wanted to touch on a few common mistakes to avoid. So first, a common mistake is setting up the form but not connecting it to an automation. That means people are signing up, but nothing is happening afterward. Another mistake is turning on site tracking but not actually using the data. If you're not creating automations based on behavior, you're really missing the entire point of it. It's also super easy to overcomplicate things too early. Just trying to build a perfect system from the beginning usually is going to slow you down. And finally, not testing your setup can lead to issues going unnoticed. You want to make sure everything is working before relying on it. Now let's dive into some of the pros and cons. So the biggest advantage of setting up site tracking and automations is that it turns your website into something active. Instead of just collecting emails, you're creating a real system that responds to behavior and guides people towards an action. It also saves time because once everything is set up, it just runs automatically. The downside is that it takes a little bit of time to set up properly. You do need to understand how the pieces connect, and there's a bit of a learning curve at the beginning. But once it's in place, it becomes much easier to manage and scale. Okay, now in terms of pricing, if you want to click the link, I'm just going to go ahead and click pricing. They have a bunch of different options here, and like a lot of email marketing platforms, it really depends on how many contacts you have. So you can go with email, WhatsApp, or email and WhatsApp. I'm going to go over just the email specifically. I'm going to use 1,000 email contacts just as the example, but just remember that it really depends on how many contacts you have, so make sure you're using that. Okay, first off is the starter plan, and this is $15 per month. Again, remember that's with 1,000 contacts. You get things like active intelligence, marketing automation, email marketing, limited segmentation, 5 actions per automation, standard CRM and e-commerce integrations, and then 1 user. You actually can save 25% off right now with the Plus plan. So this is $37 per month right now, billed annually. You get everything in the starter plan, but you get unlimited automation actions and then standard segmentation. And then they've got the Pro plan, which is $79 per month, billed annually. You get everything in the Plus plan, of course, but active intelligence is less limited. You get 3 users and you get other things like landing pages, premium e-commerce integrations, advanced segmentation, and then predictive and conditional content. Lastly is the Enterprise plan, which is $145 per month, billed annually. You get everything in the Pro plan, but you get premium segmentation, you get single sign-on, a dedicated account team, and 5 users. So again, all of that is with the 1,000 contacts, and then you can see what that would kind of look like if you needed to increase that. If you're collecting leads and just want to do more than just send basic emails, this is absolutely worth setting up. If you're just starting and don't have traffic yet, you might not need everything right away, but as soon as people are landing on your site and signing up, having this system in place makes a massive difference. It turns your website into something that actually works for you. I know that this can feel like a lot at first, especially if you've never set up automations before, but now that you understand how the pieces connect, it really becomes a lot simpler than it looks. If you want to check out ActiveCampaign for free, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.